The serene silence of the desert garden in St. George is being broken by something new.
It's a labor of love, and I'm kind of with my father every day. So
Celia Bertoia's father, Harry, passed away when she was in her 20s. More than 40 years later, Celia has chronicled the work of her father. He's also considered the father of sounding sculptures in the art world and the wired chair in the furniture world.
Everyone has seen those chairs. They may not realize it's a Bertoia, but perhaps with more exposure of the gong in the gallery, they'll get the idea, oh yeah, this Harry Bertoia guy, he was something.
The gong created by her father in 1975 was unveiled at the Red Hills Desert Garden. Want to see?